what I've done is I've put a little push button down here on this side on the frame. You can come around through, just here, and I'll show you what that does. That scrolls through your menu. So we've set your speed, your mileage to what your old speedo was. I've done about 10 miles doing the setup on it. Time running, voltage, acceleration, average speed, RPM, 0 to 100, top speed, top RPM, acceleration, and it goes on. So as you can see, there's lots on there. So, and then that's how long the dash has been on for. We set up the fuel, so that's all working. It's just come onto reserve. So your top line will be your speed, and the bottom one there is your miles. If I fire it up, well, you won't get it until it's moving. Once it's moving and you put it in gear, you'll get your gear indicator, what gear you're in, coming up on here. It doesn't actually do it until it starts to roll. Okay, so other switches. On your one we've wired it, so this is the start. And that's the kill switch. On the opposite side, we now have your lights which go high beam, that's off. So now you've only got the halo on, which is quite a nice effect. That's low beam. That's high beam. We've now got your bar end indicators on there. So one push for on, one push for off. If you push them both together, you get hazard lights. Obviously your horn, you see your high beam light is indicating on your dash there. It's a bit easier to read than the original one. Press and hold it, it goes off back down to the halo. There you go, I hope you like what we've done.